Baby Bird is Lost. Written by Yuko Kato. Illustrated by Yuko Kato. 3 eggs lay in a nest on a cliff. One egg starts to crack. Crack, crack, crack. The egg cracks and wiggles and falls out of the nest. A baby bird pops out. Baby bird is scared. He wonders, where is my mommy? Where is my daddy? Baby bird feels sad and alone. Baby bird sees a fish. Are you my mommy? Asks baby bird. No, I am a piranha. I can swim. Your mommy can't swim. Your mommy can fly. Just look up, replies the fish. Baby bird sees a frog. Are you my daddy? Asks baby bird. No, I am a tree frog. I can jump. Your daddy can't jump. Your daddy can fly. Just look up, replies the frog. Baby bird sees a snake. Are you my mommy? Asks baby bird. No, I am a tree boa. I can slither. Your mommy can't slither. Your mommy can fly. Just look up, replies the snake. Baby bird sees a big cat. Are you my daddy? Asks baby bird. No, I'm a jaguar. I can leap. Your daddy can't leap. Your daddy can fly. Just look up, replies the big cat. Baby bird sees a monkey. Are you my mommy? Asks baby bird. No, I'm a spider monkey. I can swing. Your mommy can't swing. Your mommy can fly. Just look up, replies the monkey. Baby bird sees a sloth. Are you my daddy? Asks baby bird. No, I am a 3-toed sloth. I sleep all day. Your daddy flies all day. Just look up, replies the sloth. Caw, caw, caw. Baby bird hears a sound. Caw, caw, caw. Baby bird looks up. Baby bird sees 2 red, blue, and yellow birds flying over him. Caw, caw, caw. The birds are beautiful. We are your mommy and daddy, say the birds. You are a scarlet macaw. Baby bird feels happy and safe. He is with his mommy and daddy. Baby bird is home. The end.